Welcome, lovebirds. You did it. You found each other, fell in love and said I do. Now it's time to celebrate your love with an unforgettable honeymoon. Choosing the perfect place to begin your new chapter together is a big decision. That's why we're here to help. We're diving into the top 5 dreamy honeymoon destinations that will make your romantic getaway truly magical. Get ready to be swept away to breathtaking beaches, charming cities, and exotic islands. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, our list has something for every couple. So grab a cup of tea, snuggle up with your sweetheart, and let's explore the world's most romantic destinations together. Imagine this. You wake up in your overwater bungalow, the gentle sound of waves lapping against the stilts. Sunlight dances on the turquoise waters, inviting you to start the day in paradise. That's Bora Bora. This breathtaking island in French Polynesia is the epitome of romance. Picture yourselves swimming in crystal-clear lagoons, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Later, indulge in a couples massage at a luxurious spa, or simply relax on the white sand beaches, sipping cocktails as the sun sets. But Bora Bora is not just about relaxation. Adventure awaits you too. Explore the island's lush interior on a 4x4 excursion, hike through verdant forests to hidden waterfalls, or take a thrilling dive with manta rays. Bora Bora is a place where you can write your own love story, surrounded by unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Perched high above the sparkling Aegean Sea, Santorini is a sight to behold. Whitewashed villages cling to volcanic cliffs, their blue-domed churches reaching towards the heavens. It's no wonder this Greek island is a magnet for honeymooners seeking a fairy tale escape. Stroll hand in hand through the narrow cobblestone streets of Oia, stopping to admire the dazzling white houses adorned with vibrant bougainvillea. Lose yourselves in the island's rich history as you explore ancient ruins and archaeological sites. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the caldera, find a romantic spot to witness Santorini's legendary sunsets. Share a bottle of local wine as the sky erupts in a symphony of colors, creating a memory you'll cherish forever. Santorini is a feast for the senses, a place where romance fills the air, and every moment feels like a scene from a dream. Chapter 3. Maldives, Secluded Luxury in Paradise. Imagine stepping onto a tiny island surrounded by turquoise waters and endless skies. The Maldives offers unmatched seclusion and luxury. Your honeymoon becomes a private escape. Choose luxurious overwater villas. Snorkel or dive among vibrant coral reefs. Indulge in a couples massage by the beach. Enjoy a private dinner under the stars. The Maldives is a sanctuary for honeymooners, offering unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Chapter 4. Paris, a timeless romance. Ah, Paris. The very name evokes images of love, elegance, and timeless charm. The City of Lights has been captivating hearts for centuries, and it's no surprise that it remains one of the most romantic honeymoon destinations in the world. Stroll hand in hand along the Seine River, the Eiffel Tower shimmering in the distance. Share a kiss beneath the twinkling lights as the city comes alive after dark. Wander through charming cobblestone streets, discovering hidden courtyards and quaint cafes. Indulge in delicious pastries at a local boulangerie. Savor a romantic dinner at a Michelin-starred restaurant. Lose yourselves in the city's artistic treasures at the Louvre or the Musée d'Orsay. Paris is a city that celebrates love in all its forms. It's a place to create lasting memories, share laughter and stolen kisses, and fall even deeper in love with each other. Chapter 5. Maui, Adventure and Romance in Paradise. Aloha and welcome to Maui, the Valley Isle. This Hawaiian paradise offers a magical blend of adventure and relaxation. Drive the scenic road to Hana, hike to hidden waterfalls and swim in natural pools. Marvel at the Pacific Ocean crashing against lava rocks. Witness the sunrise from Halakala's summit. Feel like you're on top of the world. Spend time on pristine beaches. Learn to surf, snorkel amongst coral reefs, or simply relax on the sand. Maui is where you can create lasting memories and embrace romance. Thanks for joining us on this romantic journey. We hope you found your dream honeymoon destination amongst these breathtaking locales. Remember, your honeymoon is a celebration of your love, a chance to create memories that will last a lifetime. So, Start planning your dream escape today. Whether you're dreaming of overwater bungalows, charming cities, or adventurous escapes, there's a perfect honeymoon destination waiting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Happy travels!